Two sets of twins playing at the
Kobe,
Eccles household.
It's Dylan. He needs you to bring him his lunch. He needs you to bring him his lunch. Oh, he's calling from France.
Who's enjoying the house more, the boys or the girls? Colby. Colby. Hi. Judah. 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 Judah.
You're in Candid Camera.
Hi. Sam. Sam. Alex. Are you guys having fun? Oh, make nice to your brother. Make nice. He touched me.
Just tap.
He touched me. Oh, Kobe, are you going to stand up? Come on. Say bye.
Can I come over?
Oh, Sam, are you going to work today?
Can I come over? Cool?
Yes.
Hello.
I will.
Hello, everybody. I'm gonna go.
Slam the door.
Hello, everybody.
Whack.
Zorbits. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, later.
Bye.